beautiful people, welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, today I'm going to be making banana bread. Um, my recipe, guys, something I created. Um, I know banana bread is pretty simple. You guys throw it in a bowl, smash it, and mix it up, flour in it, eggs, in the oven. But what I did, guys, I kind of cut down the sugar. You know the sugar is bad for you guys. Too much sugar, no, not good. So I kind of cut down the sugar in this banana bread, guys. So that's what I want to show you guys. And I'm doing it in a mixer with the butter, guys. I didn't melt it. Similar way you make your cake. That's what I'm doing today, guys. So let's jump right in, get this banana bread in the oven so you guys can get a slice, all right? Okay, guys, so my banana already mashed right here, guys. And I got some butter right here. You guys see this? This butter I got right here, guys, is only a half of a cup of butter, guys. I'm gonna throw it right inside the mixer. Get it in there. And the sugar going right inside too, guys. Then, guys, I got 2 eggs. Crack 2 eggs here, guys. I'm gonna throw that right in. Banana bread is really simple, guys. You don't have to put it in a mixer. You can melt your butter and just go ahead and make it. But I want to mix the brown sugar because the brown sugar takes a little while to mix. So that's what I'm doing, guys. So, guys, I got some honey right here, guys. Not a half a cup. It's only a quarter cup of honey I'm gonna put inside. I cut down the sugar to half a cup. The brown sugar, half a cup. So I'm putting some honey inside, guys, to substitute for the rest of the sugar. Guys, as I told you guys, you gotta watch the sugar. So I'm putting a quarter cup of honey right here, guys. Should work out fine. All right, and we're gonna get this started. And I just put the butter, keep the butter outside, guys, for roughly about half an hour, room temperature. You guys should be good. All right, so all right, let me show you guys the flour. I got 2 cups of flour here. I'm gonna sip the flour, guys. Love to sip the flour, it gets most of the lumps out of it, right? I know that's a process, but so much better, guys, when you sip the flour. And this takes 1 hour in the oven, guys, at 350. That's it. What I'm gonna do, I have a half a teaspoon of cinnamon here. I'm just gonna throw it in. All the dry stuff going in, guys. Half a teaspoon of salt. And baking soda. Got 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Plus I got a teaspoon of vanilla right here, guys. I'm gonna just pour that right inside. Let it mix. guys, this is about done. Alright. So let's get this paddle off. Get this in the sink. So guys, right now, I'm gonna take this off. So I'm just gonna fold the flour right inside. So guys, I'm adding the banana to the sugar and the butter and the eggs right now. And I just use a whisk and mix all the cinnamon, the salt, and the baking soda right into the flour, guys. So what you guys can actually do, if you like, you can add like raisin, chocolate, whatever you want to add to your banana bread, guys. You can add it. Just put the flour right inside right now. Put half of it. And then I just mix this. Guys, my oven is hot right now. It's at 350. Just gonna throw it right in. This is how simple the banana bread is. But I just want to share it with you guys. You don't have to use a lot of sugar in your banana bread. It's already sweet. Bananas are sweet, so you can use honey. Honey's expensive, guys. Alright, and this is ready. Just about ready for the pan. Guys, I didn't spray my pan or grease it with any form of grease. I just put a piece of paper inside, a grease paper, parchment paper, so it comes out easy. And my pan will be less dirty, guys. Less cleaning up to do. So guys, you don't want to overmix the banana bread. So get the batter right inside here. Alright. Yeah, I just don't want any raisin in mine. Trying to stay on the healthier side, guys. Keep it simple. Sometimes you gotta step out of your comfort zone though, right? Once in a while, it's okay. So this is it, guys. This is the banana bread. We're gonna get it in the oven, and you guys, we're gonna have a slice of banana bread together. All right, you guys, stay tuned. It's gonna bake for 1 hour. Don't go. So guys, the banana bread, it's done, guys. I'm gonna get it out of the oven right now. Let you guys see what it looks like. So guys, beautiful. See how nicely it comes out? Wow. Guys, you guys tell me how it's looking. Look at that. Nice. So guys, I'm gonna let it cool down. Gonna cut a piece just to let you guys see what it looks like inside. As I said, you guys can use whatever you want to use, any raisin, chocolate. You can use the batter to make banana muffin, whatever you like. Guys, it's simple, but I just want to share my banana bread with you guys. It's a very short video. Show you guys my banana bread that I'm gonna have tonight. As long as you have some overripe banana, guys, use it up. Don't throw it out. Make your banana bread. Alright? You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna cool it down. We're gonna have some banana bread with a cup of tea in the afternoon. Alright? Don't go anywhere, guys. So guys, the banana bread is finally done. You guys see what it looks like? Beautiful, eh? I'm gonna have a piece right now with a cup of tea, guys. So that's my simple banana bread recipe, guys. You guys can try it out. It's too good. Guys, I'm gonna leave you guys right now. It was just a short video showing you guys how I make my banana bread. I'm gonna have a cup of tea right now and my banana bread. Look, I'm taking a bite. Look guys, cup of tea. Wow, that's soothing. Alright, guys, try it out with the honey. Tell me how you guys like it at home, alright? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, guys. Drop a comment, let me know you like the banana bread, and I'll see you in the next video.